Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's ham noodle nests cooked in the Kmart Pie Maker. The ingredients are in the recipe box below. They're very easy to do. Choose some 2-minute noodles of your choice. We're just using some Japanese teriyaki ones, but you could use anything. Put them into a container, break them into 4. It'll make it a lot easier to manage. Pour over a 1.5 cups of boiling water. And just sink them. Okay, put that to one side. We've got 4 eggs here. We're just going to whip them up with some pepper. I'm not adding any salt to this because the noodles come with some sweet soy sauce. And some Japanese fusion seasoning, which is also going to go into here to flavour it. So tip your flavour sachet in there with your soy sauce. Okay, and whiz that all around until it's well combined. We're adding in our spring onions now. 3 spring onions there, just roughly sliced. We've got some ham. I'm just going to chop that ham roughly. You could use bacon, but you're going to have to cook that first. Leave that little bit of fat in there, that'll be extra flavour. And just cut it into little cubes, nothing too serious. We want everybody to have some of our ham in our little noodle nests. You could add corn to this, leeks, prawns, chicken, char siu pork, anything you like really, okay? That's in with our eggs and noodle seasoning and spring onions. These are starting to soften now, as you can see. We're going to brush our pie maker liberally with some oil because we don't want it to stick. So we've just got some fresh oil here. Brush it all around, sides and tops. This will help it to release quite readily. Okay, that's not turned on, just put it to one side. Once our noodles have softened up sufficiently, we're going to drain them and add them to our omelette sort of mixture here. Only takes a few minutes. And that will continue cooking in the pie maker. Okay, our noodles are nice and rehydrated now, as you can see. We're just going to scoop those out, drain them. You could use a colander if you want to, but it's not necessary. Put them in with our remaining ingredients. Give them a stir and cook them until the egg mixture sets in our little noodle nests. We had a request for 2-minute noodles in the pie maker, and what better way to have it than as a little Japanese inspired omelette type dish. Alrighty, now the best way I found to get anything into a pie maker is using an ice cream scoop. So scoop some of your mixture up like so and tip it into your pie maker, making sure that everybody gets some eggs and some noodles. A light budget friendly lunch. Have it with a bit of salad, have it with some rice. Make sure everybody's got a little bit of egg in theirs, and the egg will sort of cement it together. Okay, alrighty. Now those noodles are still really quite warm, so that's going to start the cooking process. Switch it on, close the lid, and let the magic happen. Okay, how are we going here? Pretty darn good, look at that. Okay, let's get those out of there, shall we? Put them on a pretty serving plate and get the rest on. And we're just going to be serving those with some miso soup. Okay, and that's what we're looking like inside. Eggy, noodly, herby. Serving it with soy sauce, a bit of wasabi, some fresh seaweed salad, and some miso soup. Light, fresh, healthy, and tasty. Thanks for watching.